Good day, everyone. This is Onion. It's Wednesday, March 17th, pre-market. This morning, I'm going to go over SNDL growers with you. We're going to look at some technical insight, short selling activity, and institutional holdings. We're just going to go over the chart quickly today because really the big catalyst today is the earnings call. But yesterday, there was one bullish indicator triggered, the MACD. It did touch yesterday the average line, so that was good. I expected it to cross, but we did have quite a bit of a pullback yesterday. I did warn yesterday in the video that this might happen because it's just natural, right? Going over the 21-day moving average like that, usually pullback always does happen. So we're going to need a few more days to confirm if there is a downtrend, using the charts. But again, here's all the indicators and everything. Everything looks up, but the big catalyst today is that earnings call. The charts really mean nothing at this point. We look at the short seller activity. Yesterday was very heavy, which kind of surprised me. 31% yesterday. In the last 2 days before that, we're under 20. So this morning, if you want to borrow, this was as of 5:30. I checked the borrow rate. It's 0.87%, and there's 10 million shares available. So it's set up to be a nice day for short selling if that's how you like to trade. Institutional activity and holdings. There hasn't been any change in ownership or added positions or anything since March 9th. Firethorn added 300,000 shares. Institutional owners is 52, and they represent 1.44% of the float. So it looks like another heavy day today. Your bid and your ask is already 10 cents lower, and you got the earnings call coming up today. Now, I made a detailed video on the weekend, where I thought things were going to go with Sundial. If they had good news, excuse me, and news of a merger, venture, whatever, I expected the price. You can see in the video on the weekend. I gave it a price target of I believe it was 168. It was in the high 160s. And if they have bad news, I gave it a price of 85 cents. Now I didn't really give it a mid price because normally, when companies like this, in my opinion, Sundial needs to prove something to its investors, especially over the last, few months. So usually when companies are going into earnings like this, they just, go press release after press release after press release, right? Get excitement. There was one sent out on Monday. Well, they sent quite a few, but it was only one thing, right? It was this joint venture where if you look into it, you can't get a lot of information because a lot of it's private with the private company. So really the only thing you see is $100 million coming off of Sundial's books to start a joint venture with a private company. So, and they have that deal with Endiva too. I'm not going to go in a lot of detail about it this morning, so I have a lot of videos and companies to look at. But if you need a little bit of guidance, look at my video on the weekend. It gives you a little bit of an idea. It goes into detail, but be very careful with this today. I'm a little bit worried because there was such a huge pullback yesterday, but there wasn't much of a recovery. And if you actually look, I think I have it up here. The distribution, the accumulation and distribution yesterday. Oh, look at that, eh? See, the price is already dropping into the 130s, so I don't know. Accumulation distribution here, you can see actually went up yesterday as the price went down. So this is actually a sign of the short selling, right? This is covering. I don't know. It's really hard to say. I don't think it's going to be a good day for Sundial, in my own opinion. I do see a pullback coming, and if no other news comes out, no good news, no bad news, nothing, I see a $1 price target, and then eventually going down to 85 cents in the coming weeks. So I wish the best for everyone today. Good luck. Listen to that call carefully, and I believe it's coming after hours, after 4 o'clock. So make sure you have the ability to trade after hours if need be. So good luck to everyone. Take care and have a great day.